Hi, I'm Leo Prada and I'm a technical project manager. One of the questions I get asked a lot is, what does a project manager do? A project manager is someone who has to have an effective communication with all the stakeholders, meaning all the participants in the project. In my case, I work in the software industry, so I have to have a good communication with all the participants within the company. That is the development team who is going to build the solution, the sales team who is going to sell that solution and promote it, the marketing team who is going to advertise it correctly, the management team who is going to set the company strategy, and you have to align all of that to a common goal, which is getting the project to a successful completion. You also have to have direct communication, effective and efficient with the customer. The customer has to understand what is being built. You have to agree on the scope of what is going to be built, when is that going to be delivered, and what are all the intermediate steps between. In I would say sometimes the project manager is involved in the whole process, talking to the prospect, understanding what it needs, all the way down to getting the project launched. Sometimes, depending on the project size or the company size, the project manager blends or blurs with different other activities that have to be carried out within the project. For instance, in some companies, the project manager is going to be doing some business analysis. In some companies, the project manager is going to be doing some activities that the Scrum Master does. But in essence, the project manager has to lead the project to a successful completion. You have to define what is successful completion. It has to be something that you can measure. It has to be something that you can track along time. You have to control the costs. Actually, it's the cost and the revenue, with the profit and loss. To sum up, I think there are some personality traits which are going to make your life easier if you want to become a project manager, and that is being organized, communicating effectively, making sure that you say your no's when you have to, but be agreeable and amicable and have a nice relationship with all the counterparts, both within the company and outside with your client. That's going to take you a long way. You have to be methodic, because you have to control a number of variables. You have to control how the time is being used, what is being produced. Is it going within the time frame? Are we making it to the delivery milestones? Are we within budget, which is also something very important? Are we generating profit for the company? Are we creating value for the customer that we're building this for? And all of that is going to encompass into a very good project manager. I think you have to be a people person, otherwise it's kind of difficult because you're in touch with everyone all the time. So good luck with that.